This process begins by opening Visual Studio Code and installing the Live Server extension, which is a development tool that launches a local server and automatically refreshes the browser whenever changes are saved in the code. Live Server helps developers see updates instantly without manually reloading the page, making the development process faster and more efficient. After installing Live Server, click on the File menu and create a new file named index.html, which serves as the main entry point of a website. Inside this file, the basic HTML structure is written along with a script section for JavaScript. Once the file is saved, you can right-click on index.html and select Open with Live Server, which opens the page in a web browser using a local URL. The browser then displays the message "Hello World. This is my first HTML page." Creating a basic HTML document structure means setting up the essential framework that tells the browser how to read and display a web page. It starts with a doc type declaration, which lets the browser know that the document uses modern HTML standards. HTML element then wraps all the content on the page, with the head section containing metadata such as the page title and character encoding, which helps the browser and search engines understand the page. The body section holds everything that is visible to users, like text, images, links, and other content. This structure acts like the skeleton of a web page, ensuring that content is organized correctly and displayed consistently across different browsers and devices. Right-click on the index.html file in your code editor and select Open with Live Server. The output will display the text, "Hello World, this is my first paragraph" on the web page as a paragraph, visible in the browser. Heading is a key structural element used to organize and explain the content of a page or document. In HTML, headings are defined using tags from H1 to H6, each representing a different level of importance. The H1 tag is typically used for the main title of the page, while H2 to H6 are used for subtopics and supporting sections, creating a clear hierarchy of information. Headings improve readability by allowing users to quickly scan a page and find what they're looking for. They also play a major role in accessibility, because screen readers use headings to help visually impaired users navigate content efficiently. In addition, search engines analyze headings to understand the topic and structure of a page, which can improve search rankings when used correctly. Proper heading usage makes content clearer, more organized, and more user-friendly. A paragraph groups related sentences together so they clearly communicate one main point. In HTML, the P tag automatically adds spacing before and after the text, which improves readability on a web page. Paragraphs can contain plain text as well as inline elements like links, bold or italic text. Using paragraphs properly helps readers follow ideas smoothly, supports accessibility tools like screen readers, and makes web content look clean and well-structured. Right-click on the index.html file in your code editor and select Open with Live Server. When the browser opens, it shows a page with headings 1, 2, 3, and 4, along with "This is the first paragraph. This is another paragraph." The header element in HTML is used to represent the top or introductory section of a web page, or a specific section within a page. Its main purpose is to provide users with immediate context about what the page or section is about. A header often includes important elements such as a website logo, the site name, navigation menus, search bars, or introductory text. Because it is usually the first thing users see, the header plays a major role in usability and first impressions. From an accessibility and semantic standpoint, the header helps screen readers and search engines understand the structure of the page. It can appear more than once on a page if different sections need their own headers, making it a flexible and important organizational element in modern HTML layouts. The main element represents the core content of the web page, the information that directly relates to the page's primary purpose. This could include articles, blog posts, product descriptions, images, videos, or any content that users came to the page to see. There should only be one main element per page, which helps assistive technologies quickly locate the most important content. By separating the main content from headers, footers, and sidebars, the main element improves both accessibility and readability. It also helps search engines better understand which content is most relevant, making it an essential part of clean, semantic HTML structure. The footer element is used to define the bottom section of a web page, or a specific section within it. It usually contains supporting or secondary information rather than the main content. Common items found in a footer include copyright information, contact details, legal notices, social media links, and additional navigation options. The footer helps wrap up the page and provides users with useful links or information that may be needed after reading the main content. Like the header, a footer can appear multiple times on a page if different sections require their own closing information. Overall, the footer contributes to organization, accessibility, and a polished, professional web page layout. When you open the browser, you'll see my HTML website at the top of the page. Below it, the page displays the message "Welcome to my website," followed by the text "Learn HTML now," inviting visitors to start learning. At the bottom of the page, it shows "Copyright my first HTML website," indicating ownership of the website content.